The countdown to the Pixel 10 Pro XL is almost over, and this year Google isn't just refining its formula, it's rewriting it. 10 big changes define this phone, each one designed to push Google deeper into the flagship conversation. First, the camera. ProRes zoom is now officially confirmed to stretch all the way to 100x, more than triple the limit of last year's model. Other brands have hit that number before, but with Google's AI, there's real potential this time for 100x to look like more than a pixelated blur. The second change is all about making you a better photographer. Google's new camera coach uses Gemini AI to offer live suggestions while you're shooting. Framing slightly off, lighting too harsh, the phone nudges you in real time. The third shift introduces Pixel Snap, Google's magnetic charging system. No case required. The magnets are inside the phone itself, putting Google in rare company with Apple as one of the only brands to make this seamless. Fourth, the camera's versatility grows with telemacro photography. Instead of only relying on the ultra-wide, the telephoto lens now doubles as a macro shooter. Fifth, Google is bundling serious value. 1 year of Google AI Pro for Pro models, including Gemini Pro, and 2 terabytes of cloud storage. That's about $240 worth of service given away at launch. Connectivity is where the sixth change shakes things up. Leaker Evan Blass claims the Pixel 10 family in the US could drop physical SIM trays altogether, moving to dual eSIMs. Yet leaks of actual dummy units still show a SIM slot, leaving the possibility that international models keep it. Either way, it's a controversial move. The seventh change highlights the battery story. Despite a new 5,200 mAh cell and the Tensor G5 chip from TSMC, Google is still quoting 24+ hours of life, the same as before. The eighth big upgrade is Magic Q, a contextual AI assistant that anticipates what you need before you ask. Talk about a restaurant and a Maps link is ready. Mention a flight and your itinerary appears. It's Google at its most ambitious, promising that this runs in a secure and isolated environment. Ninth, the display takes a step forward with PWM doubled to 480 Hz. It's not at the bleeding edge like some Chinese flagships, but it's an important move to cut flicker and reduce eye strain. The 10th and final change rounds out the Pro XL's premium push. Storage now starts at 256 gigabytes and tops out at 1 terabyte, eliminating the 128 gigabyte base. Charging sees a small bump too. Wired speeds climb from 37 watts to 39 watts and wireless from 23 watts to 26 watts. The trade-off is a higher entry price for the XL since the cheapest 128 gigabyte option is gone. Google will reveal the Pixel 10 Pro XL officially at its fall event in late September, with sales beginning in October and pricing aligned to last year's structure.